Good luck. Now I won't follow you now.
Yes.
Good news. Now well done.
Done, my sister, done.
That's what you tell us. Tell her.
Tell senior for the that one.
You don't see the ways you need them.
Oga. Good morning, Oga. I bring me mwere so I sell you wallahi. Kuma gangaria ne. Shine mwaga ini numandere garangaudi. Are you hear me? I dey buy on this one. I take me some more. I dey put my mouth one now. I get me girlfriend, ko my baby's water, ko for my wife na house. Wallahi, I dey finish up. Look me mana. Wallahi, I drink up, I sataro. I dey tell you I sataro. I couldn't.
Mr. Abuki.
Let me do my telemanda. I dey sell my marketing. You see,
I
took this one give you. I dey kill me my wife.
Okay. You don't do. Wait, make it.
See, our normal English what they speak for this company, you know they hear. We know how to tell the turtle, not to talk of this Latin way they speak. Wait, you waiting in the top. You say you see this medicine so when they sell, if you buy them for your hand, drink them. Hi. Okay, if you feel buy this thing, drink them. You see all those every day small time you don't run come and say your wife won't kill you. You don't. Now she go they run from you.
Wallahi,
From morning till night. Now you be this.
The only ice water, ice block, if we bring you down.
Nothing make her come down. Yes, sir.
Hey,
So just
someone plan to kill me, collect my wife from me.
Collect your
Go work.
collect.
See, that is why people, I know they like to help people. Tomorrow now you go stay cry, come outside here again.
Wait till you that when you dey talk. If person when you inherit something, you know when you inherit better thing.
Can you imagine?
Since you go,
Inherit your wife.
come on, get out of this place. Drink, buy something, drink.
Wallahi, I dey buy. I borrow so turun wallahi. For my good na kawanang. For your and my good. Buy am. I dey finish my wife.
Drink and yourself. Drink and yourself.
Pampa. I dey buy am pa.
You know you buy him?
I know they drink.
Wallahi, I saturung pa. I dey buy me.
Drink and yourself. Drink and yourself.
I good for wallahi. I saturung.
Come on. Please. Go buy him now.
Go and drink.
Go buy this thing.
Open your mouth. Oh,
Guys,
open
bring
up. Open up.
Na lie. I know go drink.
Open your mouth.
Hey, wait, man, wait.
Yeah, you drink am. Why no go drink am?
I never pay me.
He too
I
dey
dey
stop
pay
us
me.
here for
I
what?
never pay me.
What
I dey give me my
Take this
medicine.
thing.
I never pay me. I dey pay my medicine.
Don't mind her.
Give me money. I never pay me. I dey want to give me my medicine. I never pay me.
Tomorrow run come outside again, see your wife don't finish.
Yeah.
You go do yourself. Okay.
Oh, never coincide. Never coincide. Wallahi.
Abuki, where you dey go?
I dey
Go help you find another customer.
You go see for workshop.
somebody I never buy. Bring me here. Tell me I dey buy. Bring money for Saran support.
See who need that? I say no
I
one.
wonder.
I to she I know I never want. I dey bring me here.
My wife was.
Bring money Saran support when I dey going.
Sarah supposed to wear.
Oh.
Put you one. Put you
Since
for
they
Saran
born you,
support.
since they born you don't enter motor.
To haka ne ko never coincide I dey going.
Go.
Garangari maganin mandire.
Make him dey do you. One day na first people fit for the top. I will not fit.
I get me any problem I sober. Here I never strong I dey sober. Haji IB I get me I dey sober. Banaria kuma I dey sober. Yawwa, Nyariya, my beautiful girls. I want to buy them for my medicine.
Well done.
Good morning, Nyariya.
Abuki,
Eh?
do you have medicine for gonorrhea?
Medicine for gonorrhea, wallahi, I get me a finisher. Yeah.
See, there's this my colleague in my office. She told me she has gonorrhea. Please give me medicine to give to her so she can take it.
To my colleague in my office, here I get me a gonorrhea, want to finish. Never quite sight. Show me her. Let me I give her with my eye wallahi. So to wrong medicine.
No, Aboki. She's a very shy person, oh. She doesn't want anybody to know. You know what will happen? You will give it to me to give to her. After she drinks it, you can come and check up on her.
To my colleague don't I dare shy go. Wait man now. I dare to come here. See him for this one. I dare give him. Yeah. In the morning, I dare shuffle me some more. I drink water. In the afternoon, I dare shock me some more. I dare drink water. Where man in the night kuma, I dare chop the remaining. I deserve come for the right. Yeah, I know me the right. So I do finish on everything. Yeah, my price is a 500 nairas. 500 nairas. To give you 1 year.
Finish, Abi.
With this, I give you more
change.
change.
Okay, hurry up.
To wait, what I give out for change. Yari, how beautiful. Yari, how high. Yawari. Yahoo! Gangariya magani nin mandare. I guess me for a I saw.